I think it says a lot about the assurances the Department of Justice has given really to the whole country about its mission of protecting our national security. It says a lot that Assistant Attorney General John Demers would come down to Huntsville, bring his team down to have this CEO summit. But I think what it also says is how important Huntsville is to our national security and all the components that we have here, the industrial complex that we have here. It's not just our aerospace and military. We have automotive, we have biotech, we have, with Tennessee Valley Authority, we have nuclear and hydroelectric power, a lot of finance, a lot of other types of industries in this town. We are a diverse community, and all of those sectors of our economy are present here, and they are all targets of the Chinese government. In some ways, the Chinese are one of our biggest threats to our economic security and our national security. And by AAG Demers coming down here and hosting this summit and really educating our CEOs and our C-suite folks here in Huntsville on all of these threats and how we can help, how we can mitigate our risks, and if we are breached, what we do about it. We keep bigger secrets in the Department of Justice than the fact that something has happened to your company. So reach out to us and rest assured that Chinese government, the Chinese military, they are trying to rob, replicate, and replace whatever product, whatever stream of commerce that you're engaged in. They're trying to engage in it themselves. They're just not willing to put in the R&D to get there, the 20 years, the labor, the wrench turning, the money that it takes. They want to get there in their 1, 2, 3, 5 year time frame, and the only way they can do that is to steal that technology, those trade secrets, that intellectual property, and that's what John Demers and his team are working very hard to do, what we're working hard to do on the China Initiative to prevent.
And Jay, are we seeing this here in North Alabama already? Is this totally proactive, or are we seeing China trying to steal secrets from companies here?
Let me answer that question a different way. This is a proactive effort, absolutely, but it is in recognition of those threats that are already out there, whether they be here in the Northern District or all the districts in the United States and around the world.